It's Juvenis.
Show yesterday they performed today. That's one. Now yesterday they paid me for. I don't wait, tire. I did get the beg people where they go say come back and I go perform. So I want to thank all of you that waited behind. I don't say I don't laugh, I don't tire well. Just try. Things what I want to talk, they're funny. It's funny. But who don't tire, I know they too laugh. But any which way. Because Jesus died yesterday, we'll have fire today, we'll collect the keys of life and death. I've been observing backstage, man. Ghanaians, you guys are crazy. I like you people for one thing. When they follow anywhere tight, blow go. Anywhere. I don't watch. I come they crack, I shower joke, they laugh. The next thing he say praise and worship, una follow. When una die, devil go drag on our body, God go drag on our body. He was promoting us, You understand? Anyway, joke logo, now just me look at the observe. Some guys were here, they were not happy. People will come here, one knock job. It gets into praise and worship. A guy don't book room this night. Next thing the guy will say, no, I'm touched. So that session quarantine, I can't. That is the vex. Observing all the performance and everything. Better girl, Irene. How you doing? Nice song, nice outfit. But you know, say she not pass here. Like now when you don't come to show, you come and I say you're scared too short. The anything will let you come here. When they dance, they sing. You see men we sit down up right or call like that. Nice view. You know? Francis Odega, get out of here, man. I want to clap for this guy. These are one of the pioneers of stand-up comedy in Nigeria. I know you people don't know, he's one of the first people in Night of 1,000 Laughs. He don't hustle. You know easy. You know what it is to hustle more than 20 years? Only one line, you just blow. Get out of here, man. Any day they talk, I'm even inside church. He's about 65. Oh, sorry, 67. Yeah, it's crazy, man. When I even try, people came out for show. Bless it. When I don't fear, we enter Rich Hotel, and they use a bomb detector, they check card. Ghana way peaceful. Only when I use my hand, they find waiting or they find me. And they look them, they laugh. See that short bomb detector, they stand near the car. So if you can't get there, the thing coming, big, really one wrong go. come Nigeria, our bomb detector, they long. They throw. Check from afar. Then we got here backstage, the security with the people, they tell them these are the artists. They say, no, we have to check. The guy they check, they press my ass. I say, crazy, man. It's crazy. You guys try, when I be fear, because Nigeria's economy now is in shambles. You know, dollar don't go. People will come for Christmas, not go back. They still in Lagos. Can't return back to Yankee or UK. When they come show, buy ticket, everybody don't lock up for Lagos now. Nobody they spend. Chairman with the dash us money, not the dash again. Normally for show like you see chairman, you just say hey, chairman, hey, you go your blink like 2 times. Bing, bing. That 2 times where you blink now $20,000. Bing, bing. Now you look there, chairman ahead, and they look you back. No blinking. No blinking. Is that bad? People are being laid off. Fire them, even entertainers. Now only few entertainers still go. I hire bodyguard now. Pay only in first salary December, January nothing. Tell them say don't worry, the economy will pick up. And they go club like this, they bounce, they enter, whiskey than the entourage, they pass. As I don't pass and they go and they look back. My bodyguard don't they follow up. He said, Wheezy, don't worry, you are safe. Abandon me. Now the girls are not smiling, guys are not smiling. Even guys who don't hook here and accents until they get girls. Enter club, yo baby, what's up, baby, you okay? For the girl in mind, he just returned. Nothing. One guy deceive one girl, carry the girl enter house, carry and go club, meet for them, toast her, she agree, use English, say, man, you know what I'm saying? Come on, take him home with me. They reach outside. She said, where's your car? They say, man, you know, I just got back. Let's take a taxi. Get home, we sort it out, okay? She said, okay. They enter taxi, reach house. The guy, they look at, she look at. They look at, she look at. She said, Ben, I said, man, you know, I just got back. I got dollars all over my pocket. Benjamin's baby, I don't got Naira. Don't worry, pay. I'll sort you out. She said, okay. They enter house, no lights. She said, put on your generator. I said, oh, babe, you know, I just got back. All that noise, I can't deal. In the US, we don't got generators. I can't deal with that noise. Let's, you know, use candles, like a romantic dinner. She said, okay. They chop. They enter room. She wants shower, no water. I said, your shower is not much. She said, girl, you know, I just got back. I can't be paying bills when I'm not here. Don't worry, there's a well downstairs. Let's go fetch some water, you know. Have all back, African style, like the ice bucket challenge. And then the girl look and say, talk well. Talk well before I shout. So what you saying? I talk well, I go shout down. Say, okay, now we. Take it easy. Job no, money not there anywhere. Even I can tell girls for Lagos now, say, this one there's no money. No, not tell one guy, say, take me out for lunch, take you out. Oh, I want to go shopping, take you shopping. Oh, my car is bad. Can you come and pick me and drop me and carry you? Let's go and see movie. When I go see movie, or end up for a house after 3 weeks of expenditure. You know, they get those excuses when they come up with. You can't see girls they come up with excuse, say, slow down. Let's take it one step at a time. Which step we jump? Tell me we will do that step. The most annoying one is, I've taken you like a brother. I tell you, say I don't know my family. Taking me like a brother. You know? Another annoying excuse is, any man I sleep with will not make it in life. They go on to threaten me. I say, baby, I've made it already. What to do? Oh, get, do me. She, no excuse again. And she can say, the truth is that if I sleep with you, I will hate you. I will not pick your call. I will never answer you again. Okay. No need to argue. Okay. And the funny part is some of these girls when they form like this, when you enter a relationship, now they will call the love pass. Love turn to monitoring spirit. Anyway, you go take call with another girl, they go just call you. Pick. Hello. Who is that you are dancing with? You say, stop looking back, I'm not there. Serious connection. They see you everywhere. And they tell guys, don't share Wi-Fi with your girl. Don't share Wi-Fi. You go like your girl say, I'm traveling. You go Dutch, go hotel. You get don't enter car, hold up phone, they drive around all the hotel. As your Wi-Fi network enter, it's here. So she gonna walk out room to room, they find the network. She reach the door, the thing go full. Say, so I'm not the share Wi-Fi again. It's crazy, man. Because when a girl is angry, man, they say hell hath no fury. Provoke, shout. That's why I like our African girls. Our quarrel is different from Oyibo. But the annoying part is many of you all have started behaving like these American girls. You go quarrel. You see Oyibo girls go quarrel. They will just tell the guy, you know what? Who's Jennifer? You're not going to say who Jennifer is? You're sleeping on the couch tonight. My girl go tell me. You're sleeping on the couch. I said, where did that? I didn't even understand. She said, sleep on the couch. I said, the bed spoiled. I said, no. The one way can make me laugh. Pack your bag and leave the house. Which house? My house? Pack your bag and leave. Who are you? Oprah Winfrey? How much you get? Back. Another thing girls do is, those girls when they get temper, when they destroy, some guys say they don't experience that. You know those girls when they fight, when they vex, you know the big things they break. They don't ever fight for their house. Now your house. I date one like that, so I'm not a quarrel with them. If we did my house, people say, you are a bastard, you are an idiot. Because if I mistakenly say, I will do. What did you say? Plasma screen. And now they talk till we reach our house. 2 days later, they say, hey, you call me bastard, come. What did you mean? She said, go provoke. I mean, look, now our house, we'll keep her. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go out. Let's go to your place and say, don't talk the matter here. Let's settle it here and now. Women get angry. When some women get angry like this, you'll know say a demon possess them. But it's better to date a woman that is possessed by demons than a woman that is possessed by man. So yes. You know, say for Yankee, a normal thing now. But they did get, you know, not saying a transgender. And they ask for childhood pictures now. I see your childhood pictures. I'm just curious. I want to see what it was like growing up. They'll call and say, why is the only low cut you have? Do you know what it's like? Say you did trap, you don't know. But one day they start, because that man traced the dead body. Stop it, Bobby, stop it. I don't like it, stop it, stop it. I said stop it! What you do with baby? Your opinion, and they mean no. She can't pin you. You know when they change, they don't change their strength from man onto woman. Can't pin you on top of the bed. Sit down on top. Don't whisper for her. I have a secret to tell you. Where you did, you go destroy. Leave me first. No. Guess what? He is to be a man. Can you remove your former dick from me? Pin you down there. The worst thing you will ever experience is to get into a fight with a former man. Transgender. You know, so you know they know. Push it down. Deal with this relationship. Deal with it. Look, you're a woman. Don't let me hit you. I'll deal with you. Okay, you want to do me? Come. She give you one man blow. Boom. You know they ask who are you? They say, who are you? Who are you? Because you know what hit you, man? It's not ordinary. Who are you? But I personally prefer gays to transgender because that one you didn't know from beginning. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize to any woman who I don't toast, we're not there in the mood. I'm sorry. You know why? Kids now have rights. Once you travel abroad, they have rights to toast you as a man. And you have to be civil. You know, if you go take any, they have gay rights. So you watch what you say. So now, when you as a man are not there in the mood, now I know waiting those women why they toast, we don't want. How body they do now. Sorry. Anybody do you want to toast like that? You nearly raise your hand. Do you know what it's like? You take bar for Lagos, guy just come meet you say, "What kind of kid can I buy you a drink?" Your response is, "Get out of here, you faggot, idiot, bastard, gay, homosexual." When you try it abroad, you are finished too. So with a day back, then now I know what women they go through. Because you see that our excuses now they sound like Unao. Guy will just come. You look kind of kid, can I buy you a drink? No, thank you. Are you sure? What you doing tonight? I'm not alone. My boyfriend went to... Your boyfriend? I mean my girlfriend. Went to the toilet. Okay, maybe I could call you up sometime. Don't worry, give me your card. I will call you. We don't change up now. We don't behave like them. It's crazy. It's crazy. See, women get power. Women have power. I fear every woman. When a woman tells you, you will see. You will see. It no matter who she be, you will see. I have seen cases. One of the families with the most powerful set of women, the Kardashian and Jenner clan. You know, say those women rugged from their mama down. Rugged. Every man we don't pass through them. The guy, career the guy. Don't we count them? Nick Cannon, he did Kim Kardashian. French Montana, where they? They also. Reggie Bush, former basketballer. Chris Humphries, former basketballer. Lemar Odom, former basketballer. Ashawu has nearly died the other day. See Scott Disick, Courtney husband. As they break up, the guys start to drunk, they misbehave. See, you know, see Kanye West? That one, they all look and say, okay, we not feel reckon, more make and Chris. We join tattoo. Even their mother, original Kardashian, her husband died of throat cancer. Enough he chop, enough he drink water. He throat block, he died. Now waiting Bruce Jenner look, say, if you can't beat them, you join them. And the guys switch completely. But you know, the most powerful woman in the world, my world, she died in January. My mom, my sweet mom. January, she just pegged like that. Christian woman. I took her to the airport on Sunday, Monday. She not sick. I look, see my mama, good woman like that. She was just 58. Mama died. Yes, still alive. Not be smart, you know. I explain tired. Different people. The bad thing about when you lose somebody that you will tell the same story over 1,000,000 times. What happened? Was she sick? No. So what happened? I took her to the airport. She got on the plane. When she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. Now, I don't tell you. Why not go tell other people? Now then they go call other people and say, she died. Come. Come on. Nothing happened. She wasn't sick. I took her to the airport. She got on the plane. She landed. She had a heart attack and she died. The two of them will say, "Che, sorry. How far now? What if mama died? Come." See, you remember John? Say, John say, "Sorry, what happened?" I talked at one point, if I see them, they come from far, they say, she's not sick. I took her to the airport. She entered plane. She get her attack, she died. I did explain that, you know. And then, when this thing happened, I now realized why some people cry, they differ. Mama died like this, I mean, they cry. They cry. I was devastated. But you know, you get the kind of thing that they give you. Just come, stop crying, it's okay. Let me know what the burial plans are like, Or just use this check to hold your side first. Sasia. It's okay, I understand. They will call it philosophical. Everything calm down. I received check to the point I can't look my papa. And how body they do you? Sound fine, you sure? I know you miss her. Anything you do now is fine. I won't kill her joy. At the graveside, at the cry, they hold me. That is I won't jump enter. Even me for my mind, I won't jump enter. I say, let me die. Let me die. This life is useless. I cannot live this life again. There's no use. No, not be small beg. I say, leave me, they hold me. One man just walk out, just push check for my hand. I look at 10 million. I say, it is where, go where. I will continue your legacy for me. On a final note, my mom, I know say when she died, she was shocked because get things what they do where she don't know as a human being. She don't know. But now, as she don't die, don't turn to saints, she dey see everything. Only me go mistake, praise the God, make her my guardian angel. What's mistake? I don't do it. She don't appear. Get up. There you're close. Pull that rubber. Go home, go and meet your wife. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long night. We gotta go now.
No wonder.
Thank you so much for having us.
Just a question.
Oh, Sinati love will go follow you. Everybody, if you're feeling good tonight, make some noise. AY Live is a hit. Trust me, this show is so successful. Now, which Baba do the jazz? Shady Baba do well for me, Yoko. Now your life is done better. Everybody, not because I suffer pass. Not because I pray and fast, oh. No be your show, no be jazz. Are you ready? Aquati. Everybody. Whoa. Jay. Everybody. Hey. D-Money. Somebody else. Mr. Dixie, 1, 2, 3. I said, let the people done. Now which Baba do the jazz? Sherry Baba do well for me, Yoko. Now my life is just better. Hey, why? Not because it's so bad. Not because you pray and fast. No be your show, no be dance. Whoa! Everybody! Whoa! Osinatiku. What the madu? Lele Osinati. Mama Osinatiku. Dadisa. Everybody! Whoa! My baby mama. No, we might fuck your God. And I don't think my own they love me because they want to save. I don't take away my favor. They want to throw in my career. They don't think I get the favor. If you got it, let's go. I forgive and I forget. My melody don't be there. My papa just everybody. Everybody, you ready right now? I go name my first daughter, Sinachi. My loving mother, Sinachi. Promotion letter, Sinachi. Ìyàwó mi, Sinachi. Now we shut them down, Malaysia. Every show the boy they come. Thank you Lord to show the love. When I know I'm not alone. I go take praises from house to church. I go drop a people every now. See my motor, see my mansion. David. Everybody! Not because I suffer fast. Not because I pray and fast. Not because I love each other. Everybody! If you ready, make some noise right now. Everybody.
I thank you, Lord, for all me. And I thank you, Lord, for all me. And I thank you, Lord, for giving me power. And I thank you, Lord, for God. And I give your house to give me mansion. And I pray for God to give me phantom. And I pray for God to give me phantom. But I'm telling you, you know,
You go question. You tell my family. If not, you can't go for there. Whatever we go, this
you are the God,
we just have to go, they come. Everything we do, they come. Not because you're not a favor. All is very because of God, yo. Let the people that they are. Everybody! Whoa! Now my life. Not because I pray. Don't be your son, don't be just. Aquati. Everybody. Aquati. DJ Jinja. Everybody. So. DJ. Holy. Not you. Hey, life, Sinachi. Obio. It's Sinachi. God bless. DJ Jimmy Channel. Make some noise for humble. Bless everybody.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.punux.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.